Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install any Canon printer driver in Windows 11. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for canon.com or whichever country you are in. You just have to come here on its official Canon website. So when you are here, click on the option of support on the top right hand corner. After that, you can either search for your printer by typing its model name here in the search bar, or you can click on the option of printing from the given list. In the printing, you just have to select your product category. For example, let's say I have the inkjet printer. So after clicking on it from the given list, you just have to select that particular series which you have. After selecting it, you just have to select that particular series model, the driver of which you want to get. After selecting it, simply select your device, which is Windows 11, that it is detected by itself. So here you can also click on this drop down menu and then you can change your operating system. So here, after doing so, it will show you this type of section. So when you click on the option of learn more, you will see the setup or the printer driver that you can download for that particular printer that you have selected here. So when you click on the option of download, a pop-up will open in front of you, or you just have to click on the option of save and it will be downloaded successfully. Now in order to install it, simply double click on it and it will also be installed successfully on your device. So this way you will be able to download and install all of the Canon printer driver in Windows 11. If this video find you helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.